In the first video, I showed you the tarp trick. Trim the first few bushes around the apartment building. Now I'm finishing the right side using the same system. Tarp under the bush, trim it, shape it, then drag clippings with me to the next one.
Surplus DIY is about to come on.
Welcome to Surplus DIY. On this channel, you will see a lot of how-to projects. I test real DIY fixes, tool tricks, and money-saving ideas to see if they actually work. Now, I'm going to let the work play out, but watch how the tarp keeps the clippings contained while I move from bush to bush. And I found out real quick that I needed more than one battery. I ordered two, this is the first one that came.
Well, those look nice.
How's it going, man?
It's going.
Alright.
Those look really nice, man.
Oh, thank you, man.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a little rusty.
Well,
I mean,
you got me fooled.
Yeah.